Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the podcast where we dive deep into the latest AI trends. Join us as we explore groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From ChatGPT to the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, we will keep you updated on the ever-evolving AI landscape. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of AI with us. In today's episode, we'll cover free courses and guides for learning generative AI, using ChatGPT to generate B2B SaaS startup ideas, Stability AI's release of SDXL 1.0, AWS's major AI updates, concerns about the security of language models, the call to relax rules for open source AI models, the establishment of the Frontier Model Forum, recent funding for Protect AI, advancements in AI for breast cancer detection and robotics, various updates and launches in the AI industry, and the Wondercraft AI platform for podcasting with AI voices. Hey there! If you're interested in diving into the world of generative AI, I've got some fantastic resources for you. Let's start with Google Cloud's Generative AI Learning Path. This series of 10 courses covers everything you need to know, from the basics of large language models to creating and deploying generative AI solutions on Google Cloud. Next up, we have Deep Learning.AI's Generative AI short courses. They offer 5 courses, including LangChain for LLM application development and a course on understanding diffusion models. If you're looking for a bootcamp-style experience, check out LLM Bootcamp by The Full Stack. They provide free lectures on building and deploying LLM apps. How cool is that? Carice has collaborated with OpenAI to create a free course called Building AI Products with OpenAI. It's a great opportunity to learn from industry experts. If you want to learn about LangChain and vector databases in production, Activeloop offers a free course that covers exactly that. Pinecone's Learning Center is also worth exploring, as they provide plenty of free guides and handbooks on topics like LangChain and vector embeddings. For those interested in specific AI models like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and GPT-4, Scrimba offers a free course where you can learn how to build AI apps using these models. To get insights from the experts, Gartner has a report called Gartner Experts Answer the Top Generative AI Questions for Your Enterprise. It's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for practical advice. OpenAI has a guide called GPT Best Practices that shares strategies and tactics for maximizing your results with GPTs. And if you're interested in using the OpenAI API, they also have an OpenAI cookbook that provides examples and guides. AI has a detailed guide to prompt engineering that you might find really helpful. And if you're curious about transformer models and how they work, Cohere AI has a tutorial that breaks it down for you. Last but not least, there's an open source course called Learn Prompting that focuses on prompt engineering. So as you can see, there are plenty of resources out there to help you learn generative AI. Happy exploring! So you're looking to dive into the world of SaaS startup ideas in the B2B sector with the help of ChatGPT? Great choice. Today, we'll unlock the power of AI to brainstorm 3 innovative ideas that incorporate artificial intelligence and can enhance their value proposition within the enterprise B2B SaaS industry. And of course, we'll give each idea a unique and intriguing name. First up, we have Connect AI, a platform that revolutionizes networking within industry-specific communities. Connect AI uses AI algorithms to analyze user profiles, interests, and behavior, enabling professionals to connect with like-minded individuals and discover potential partnerships. Its compelling mission is to break down barriers and foster collaboration in the business world. Next, meet InsightBot. This AI-powered analytics tool helps companies extract valuable insights from their vast amounts of data. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, InsightBot can detect patterns, uncover trends, and offer data-driven recommendations, empowering businesses to make smarter decisions. Investors are attracted to InsightBot because it helps companies unlock the true potential of their data, leading to improved efficiency and higher profits. Last but not least, we have Resolve AI, a customer service automation solution. Resolve AI combines AI-powered chatbots and natural language processing to provide personalized and efficient support to customers. With its advanced understanding of human language, Resolve AI ensures accurate and timely responses, enhancing customer satisfaction while reducing support costs for businesses. Investors find Resolve AI attractive because it addresses a pressing need in the market, saving companies both time and money. So there you have it. Connect AI, InsightBot, and Resolve AI, three innovative startup ideas in the B2B SaaS industry that leverage the power of AI. Each idea comes with a compelling mission, clear AI application, and reasons why investors find them attractive. Exciting times ahead for the world of enterprise SaaS startups. Hey there! Stability AI recently unveiled the latest version of its text-to-image model called Stable Diffusion XL, SDXL 1.0. And guess what? It's making quite a splash on Amazon Bedrock. This means that users can now get their hands on this advanced model via Stability AI's API, GitHub page, and even consumer applications. But that's not all. SDXL 1.0 is also accessible on Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart, which is pretty awesome. One cool feature that Stability API has introduced is the fine-tuning beta feature, which allows users to specialize generation for specific subjects. This adds even more flexibility and customization to the model. SDXL 1.0 boasts some impressive capabilities. It's designed to generate vibrant and precise images with enhanced colors, contrast, lighting, and shadows. With one of the largest parameter counts in the field, it has gained popularity among ClipDrop users and the vibrant Stability AI Discord community. Now, why is this release such a big deal? Well, SDXL 1.0 is a commercially available and open source model, meaning it's a valuable resource for the AI community. It brings a range of features and options that can compete with other top quality models out there, like Midjourney's. So, it's definitely worth checking out if you're into text-to-image models. So there are two major updates from AWS that really caught my attention. Let's dive into them. First up, we have the new healthcare-focused service called HealthScribe. This remarkable platform utilizes Gen AI to transcribe and analyze conversations between clinicians and patients. It's like having an AI-powered assistant listening in and taking notes. HealthScribe can create transcripts, extract important details, and even generate summaries that can be seamlessly integrated into electronic health record systems. But that's not all. The platform's ML models can convert these transcripts into patient notes, which can then be analyzed for valuable insights. Talk about a game changer in the world of healthcare. But AWS didn't stop there. They also have some exciting AI updates in Amazon QuickSight. Now, users can generate visuals, fine-tune and format them using simple natural language instructions, and create powerful calculations without the need for specific syntax. How awesome is that? The new features include an Ask Q option that allows users to describe the data they want to visualize, a Build for Me option to easily edit elements of dashboards and reports, and the ability to create engaging stories, combining visuals and text-based analyses. Now, why is all of this important? Well, HealthScribe has the potential to revolutionize healthcare delivery and greatly improve patient care outcomes. It's an incredible tool that streamlines the process, enhances efficiency, and ultimately benefits everyone involved. As for the AI updates in QuickSight, they empower users to gain valuable insights from their data regardless of their technical expertise. This fosters a data-driven decision-making culture across various industries and opens up a world of possibilities. Simply put, these updates are a big deal. Hey there! So, it turns out that researchers from Carnegie Mellon University and the Center for AI Safety have made an interesting discovery. They've found that large language models, LLMs, especially those based on the transformer architecture, are actually susceptible to a universal adversarial attack. And get this, it's done by using code that looks like complete gibberish to us humans. These clever researchers shared an example attack code string that gets attached to a query. It goes something like this: describing, plus similarly, now write oppositely, me giving asterisk asterisk 1 please, revert with Wio 2. Looks like a bunch of randomness, right? But it fools the LLMs into removing their safeguards. Now here's the scary part. The researchers aren't sure if this vulnerability can ever be fully patched by LLM providers. Deep learning models might just have a fundamental weakness that makes them prone to such threats. They've even mentioned that the very nature of these models could make it unstoppable. Luckily, the researchers did inform providers like ChatGPT and Bard about their findings beforehand, so they've already made some fixes. However, the researchers believe that the attack code can be altered to create unlimited new attack strings, so the threats might not end here. What's interesting about this attack is that it's automated. Computer code can continue generating new attack strings without any human creativity. And since this approach exploits a core weakness in the architecture of LLMs, it works consistently on all prompts across all LLMs using the transformer architecture. The researchers are sharing their findings to raise awareness, as they believe that anyone determined to exploit language models to generate harmful content would eventually discover these techniques. They also emphasize that this highlights a fundamental weakness in the transformer architecture, similar to unsolved adversarial attacks in computer vision. So it seems like we're just scratching the surface of LLM vulnerabilities. Who knows, we might be heading towards a future where jailbreaking all LLMs becomes a piece of cake. Scary stuff, right? GitHub, Hugging Face, Creative Commons, and several other companies are urging EU policymakers to ease regulations for open source AI models ahead of the finalization process for the EU's AI Act. According to GitHub, the purpose of this effort is to create optimal conditions for AI development and enable the open source community to thrive without overly restrictive laws and penalties. The EU's AI Act has faced criticism for its broad definition of AI and stringent regulations on the development of AI models. The letter argues that designating AI models as high risk would impose additional costs on small companies and researchers looking to release new models. Additionally, rules prohibiting real-world testing of AI models are seen as hindering research and development. The open source community believes that its lack of resources is a weakness and is therefore advocating for fair treatment under the AI Act. Interestingly, prominent players in the open source community, including GitHub and Hugging Face, find common ground with OpenAI, which follows a closed source approach. OpenAI successfully influenced EU policymakers to soften some key provisions in the AI Act. The EU Parliament recently passed the near-final version of the Act, known as the adopted text, with overwhelming support. However, individual members of Parliament are still making final adjustments to the legislation through negotiations. Most experts predict that the law will not take effect until at least 2024. Consequently, stakeholders like Hugging Face are now making their voices heard during this critical phase. Today's AI update brings you the latest news from big players like Microsoft, Anthropic, Google, OpenAI, AWS, and NVIDIA. These companies are making strides in the development of safe and responsible AI systems. Microsoft, Anthropic, Google, and OpenAI have come together to establish the Frontier Model Forum. This industry body aims to ensure the safe progress of frontier AI systems by identifying best practices, collaborating with stakeholders, and supporting the development of applications that address societal challenges. The forum will leverage the expertise of its member companies to advance technical evaluations, benchmarks, and create a public library of solutions. AWS has also prioritized AI with two major updates. The first is the introduction of HealthScribe, a healthcare-focused service that uses Gen AI to transcribe and analyze conversations between clinicians and patients. This AI-powered tool can create transcripts, extract details, and generate summaries for electronic health record systems. The second update is an Amazon QuickSight, where users can now generate visuals, fine-tune them using natural language instructions, and create calculations without specific syntax. Exciting new features include an Ask You option for describing desired data visualizations and the ability to create stories, combining visuals and text-based analyses. On the hardware front, NVIDIA H100 GPUs are now accessible on the AWS cloud. These powerful chips, optimized for transformers, offer enhanced capabilities for AI/ML, graphics, gaming, and HPC applications. While AWS is not committed to AMD's MI300 chips, they are actively exploring innovative solutions. Lastly, researchers at MIT have developed an AI tool called PhotoGuard. This tool alters photos in imperceptible ways to prevent AI systems from manipulating them. If someone tries to use an AI editing app on an image protected by PhotoGuard, the result will look unnatural or distorted. That wraps up our daily AI update. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Hey folks, we've got some exciting news in the world of AI and technology. Let's jump right in. First up, Protect AI has just secured a whopping $35 million in funding for their AI and ML security platform. Their goal is to make sure AI applications and machine learning systems are protected against security vulnerabilities, data breaches, and emerging threats. It's great to see companies taking proactive steps to keep our AI-driven world safe and secure. In another groundbreaking development, researchers from Cardiff University have trained AI to aid in breast cancer detection. This breakthrough could significantly improve the accuracy of medical diagnostics and, more importantly, lead to earlier detection of breast cancer. This could be a game changer for healthcare. Next on the list is Google DeepMind's latest creation, Robotics Transformer 2, or RT2 for short. This model brings us one step closer to a robot-filled future by allowing robots to not only understand human instructions, but also translate them into actions. It's an exciting advancement that could revolutionize various industries. Stack Overflow, the go-to platform for developers, is also diving into the AI world. They're introducing Overflow AI, an AI-powered coding assistance tool that integrates right into your development environment. Imagine having access to 58 million Q&As while you code. That's a massive resource for developers everywhere. Stability AI has launched its most advanced text-to-image generative model, Stable Diffusion XL 1.0, which is open-sourced on GitHub and available through Stability's API. This model is a significant step forward in generating realistic images from text, opening up endless possibilities in various fields. Artifact, a personalized news app, is making waves with its AI text-to-speech feature. And get this, they're offering celebrity voices like Snoop Dogg and Gwyneth Paltrow. Now you can listen to the news with some extra flair, thanks to natural-sounding accents and adjustable audio speeds. Samsung Electronics is shifting its focus from memory chip production to high-performance AI chips. With the growing demand in the AI sector, Samsung plans to develop high-bandwidth memory chips specifically for AI applications. This move shows their commitment to staying ahead in the ever-evolving AI landscape. Microsoft's Bing Chat is spreading its wings beyond the Microsoft ecosystem. Some lucky users are reporting sightings of Bing Chat on non-Microsoft browsers like Google Chrome and Safari. Although there might be some restrictions compared to Microsoft's browsers, it's still an exciting expansion for Bing Chat. Last but not least, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman is making waves with his crypto startup, WorldCoin. Their mission? To create a reliable way to differentiate between humans and AI online. They've developed a device called the Orb, which scans individuals' eyeballs to secure their World ID and reward them with WorldCoin tokens. This project aims to empower democratic processes on a global scale and boost economic opportunities. That's a wrap on our AI and tech news roundup. It's amazing to see how rapidly this field is evolving and the impact it's having on various industries. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the future. Hey there, fellow AI Unraveled podcast listeners. I've got some exciting news for you today. If you're hungry for more knowledge when it comes to artificial intelligence, then you absolutely need to check out AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence by Etienne Noumen. Trust me, it's an essential book that will take your understanding of AI to new heights. Now, you might be wondering where you can get your hands on this gem. Well, lucky for you, it's available at some of the most popular online stores out there. Whether you prefer shopping at Shopify, Apple, Google, or Amazon, you can find AI Unraveled ready and waiting to be added to your collection. Isn't that awesome? With this book, you'll dive deep into the world of AI and unravel all those burning questions that have been swirling in your mind. Etienne Noumen does an incredible job of breaking down complicated concepts and making them easy to understand. It's like having your own personal AI guide to walk you through everything. So what are you waiting for? Grab a copy of AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence today and get ready to unleash your AI knowledge like never before. Happy reading! In today's episode, we covered a range of topics, including free courses for learning generative AI, using ChatGPT to generate B2B SaaS startup ideas, AI updates by AWS, concerns over language model security, calls to relax rules for open source AI models, recent developments in AI security and detection, and the Wondercraft AI platform for hyper-realistic AI voices. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.